guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a tutorial on binder separators and cover art pages. So I have actually here an image that I previously took and put transparencies and layers of images on top of, and now I'm in Adobe Fresco just erasing with my brush the parts of the image that I don't need, while also adding shading for dimension. And the same in this image, where I actually just blended together a Jimin portrait as well as his jacket zipper, which just was a cool effect. So I'm just going in and erasing here. You can kind of see it better with a clear background. In the end, I decided to actually change the composition of the little finder windows, and I went in and added the different photos that I wanted on top, and that really added a nice touch to the rest of the design, and I really had fun with it. So here I just changed it into an 8x10 size for the binder page separator, as well as added the face logo and design on the top and bottom to make it more cohesive, and then I'm just blending everything in. So I just want to thank you guys so much for all the views, likes, and comments on the last video. It truly made my day and inspired me to keep going with my YouTube videos, and I hope that I can add a little bit of joy to your day. And just so you know, there'll be more binder updates coming up soon, so please stay tuned, as well as especially with Muse and some of the other solo album inclusions that I'll be adding. So yeah, stay tuned. See you guys later. Have a great week. Bye.